In today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new strategy for you to earn money just copying and pasting links. This strategy has never been talked about on this channel before, and what's even better about this one is that you can do it worldwide. It's not like ClickBank where it's only in 200 countries. Again, this is worldwide. So let's dive into my computer here, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. But before we get started, if you don't mind, hit subscribe and smash that like button for me. But let's take a look right now at the computer. You can see we're on a website called Quora, Quora.com. You've probably heard me talk about it in some previous videos, but what I'm going to show you is how you can use Quora to drive traffic to your affiliate products. And if you're new to affiliate marketing and affiliate products and all of that, just stick with me for a few minutes. I'm going to talk about exactly what it is and how it works. But right here, go to Quora. This is going to be the very first step you do. And over here on the right-hand side, you're going to have to sign up. It's going to take you just a minute or two to sign up. And then when you log in, it'll look just like this. And as you can see, it's just like any original news feed. This is your news feed, just like Facebook or any other social platform you use. You have different articles on the left, stuff over here on the right. But what I really want you to focus on is, if you know about Quora, most people come to Quora to answer questions, right? Or to see answers to questions. And we're not going to talk about how you have to go answer a bunch of other people's questions. We're going to show you how you could drive your own audience to your own products right here. So right here on the top, if you see right here in the middle, it says Spaces. I want you to click Spaces and then click See All Spaces. And then welcome to Spaces, follow Spaces to explore your interest in Quora. You're going to want to click Create a Space. And what a space is, it's essentially like a Facebook group. If you've been on Facebook, you've heard of Facebook groups. Well, this is the same thing. They call it a space on Quora. So right here is going to say create a space to share your interests, create content, host discussions, and more. So you're going to want to enter a name for your space. What do you want to call your group? So if you were going to obviously want to decide what niche or category you want to be in. Like, let's say you want to be in the wealth or making money online. You'd want to call your group something about making money online. If you're in weight loss, you want to talk about weight loss. And I usually use weight loss for my own video, so we'll just stick with weight loss. So let's say we'll call it the weight loss group. Something like that. Obviously, you're going to want to think a little bit, maybe use some better keywords. Look, this name is available. Nobody's used it. I'm going to use that. About, and then you'll want a one-line description of your space. So what is your group about? We talk all things weight loss. I obviously don't want to spend a lot of time on this because I don't want you guys just sitting around, and I'm going to hit done. This will now create your space, they call it in here, and this is what your space, your dashboard is going to look like. I am the admin. This is what it looks like. So what you're going to use this space for is to drive traffic to your own group. And how you're going to do that is you're going to post questions, and you're also going to respond to those questions with an answer. So if anybody goes searching that question, well, your group may populate. People will see your question, they'll see your answer, and then ultimately they can follow your group or join your group and see other articles you post. But don't worry, you're not going to have to actually come up with these questions yourself. You're not going to have to come up with these answers yourself. So it's going to be super simple. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to want to add your first piece of content, make your first post. Obviously, this is how it is. Right here, I'm going to say something is where you would normally just post your content. Welcome to the new editor, blah, blah, blah. But you're probably wondering, how am I going to come up with content, right? So I'm just going to exit out of this. And what you're going to do, I want you to jump over to a website called plr.com. For any of you those that don't know what PLR stands for, it's a private label rights, which means they can be used. They're absolutely free. They're available to you with no legal repercussions. So they're built for private label use. So you can do whatever you want with them. You can sell this information. You can use it for free. You can modify it. It doesn't matter. So if you look over here on the right-hand side, we have all different kinds of article categories. You got affiliate marketing, arts, articles, automotive, beauty, cell phones, CD duplication, all kinds of stuff. Credit card, debt, some financial stuff, obviously. But for the sake of this video, we're going to want to look for something maybe weight loss or health and fitness. Let's see if they have one for weight loss. I'll just scroll down and see if we see anything specifically for weight loss. Let's go to W's, QRS. Weight loss. So they have something for weight loss. They have health and fitness. They have different things, supplements. You could do all different types of articles in your group. But we're going to do weight loss for this current one. And then you'll see there are articles in here. There's a ton of articles for you to scroll through, and you could pick up any of these. Permanent weight loss, downsize your waistline by added packs, easy to follow weight loss tips, 7 tips to get calories out of restaurant food. So you would just go through the pros and cons of losing weight with the Federal. Real weight loss solution. Is fructose the cause of obesity? Burning fat versus burning calories. Eliminate negative thoughts. Let's use this one. Burning fat versus burning calories. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to pull open this article. And it's just a short little article, right, about losing weight. Do you want to burn fat or burn calories? So what you want to do is you want to come over here to your page and click make your first post. Right here on the top, it'll say post. You'll just want to switch it to question, and you'll want to ask what is your question. So let's go over here to our PLR on burning fat versus burning calories. So what we're going to do right here, we're going to type our question. What is our question? Is it better to burn fat or count calories? And that's our question. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to ask that question. After your question is asked, you'll just want to go down here. Is it better to burn fat or count calories? You'll just want to hit answer that question, and you're going to type your answer. So where you're going to get your answer is right here. All you're going to do is go back to your PLR website, and you're going to want to copy your article, and then just come right back over here and paste it in here. And then you'll hit submit. So now, and then you'll just hit submit, and there's your article. So as far as getting affiliate links and making money off of this, you'll want to obviously do this again. You'll want to make posts, and in your posts, you could view the question, but we could go back to main. Now you're back in here, and there's other things you could do. Obviously, is continue to create posts and stuff like that. So to do that, all you're going to want to do is you'll write right here, but let's go back over to our articles, and let's just say we want to eliminate negative thoughts and lose weight. Say we want to make a post in our group. So once people start getting value out of our group, we're going to come through here, and we're just going to copy this article, and then we'll come right back to Quora, and we'll post it in here. But you obviously need affiliate links to make commissions. So where we're going to get our affiliate links is going to be a website called digistore24.com. Start now. It's free to sign up. And as I was saying earlier, this is worldwide. You could do this anywhere in the world. Does not matter which countries. You could register right here for free. And once you register, you'll just want to click log in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in right now. And once we are in, it'll look something like this. You'll want to click marketplace and click all offers on the affiliate marketplace, and it'll bring you right here to this dashboard. And then from here on the left hand side, you can see this is digital products. They got events and they got physical products, but you can just look at the different categories. They have fitness and health is what we're doing. Maybe they have weight loss, the fitness and health, green products. We'll just click fitness and health for the sake of this video. And then as you can see here, they have different products for you to promote. And this right here is the commission you expect to receive, which is a 75% commission. HSV eraser, best on the market. Not sure what it is, but obviously you could look at it. And this is what you're expected to earn. It's $39.46. Keto after 50, high converting keto diet, keto desserts, high converting keto, smart blood sugar. Let's just go with something. We'll just go with the smart blood sugar one, and we'll click promote now. So what it does is right here, it generates your affiliate link. You'll just want to copy your affiliate link. Oh, that opened the page. You'll just want to copy your affiliate link. And then if you want to make this affiliate link look prettier and not so long like that, like it's a product, you'll just want to go over here to bit.ly, and right here where it says shorten your link, you could paste your link in bit.ly, and then you could click the word shorten. And then here is your now shortened link. It looks a lot more appealing to the eyes. It's a lot shorter. It's clean and presentable. You'll just want to hit copy. Now go back over to Quora, and in your article, here it will put something like I don't remember what the product was, but my favorite way to lose weight. And then you'll just post or paste your affiliate link, and then it'll populate right here and look right there, special offer, and not actually news article, they'll be able to see this and they'll be able to click it and purchase that product. Again, I would go to the bottom, I'd drop it somewhere else along the way, like right here. My favorite way to lose weight, and then I would just paste it again. Again, in different articles will say different things in this box, so you could obviously copy, and you can do more than one. Don't just do one product. So let's come back here. Let's just grab this one to show you what it would look like. I'm on this product manufacturer promoting. You have to request an affiliate mentor partnership with them. This one you don't, so I'm just going to copy that. Let's go back to Quora, and let's actually backspace that one, and let's post and see what this one looks like. Yep, see, this one doesn't actually say that this is an advertisement. This one says, get your free keto cookbook, physical print version. So if anybody goes through here and they follow the steps to get their free book, and then ultimately if they make a purchase later on, you receive a commission for that. And that's how you're going to be able to do that. And so as you can see, there's hundreds of millions of people go to Quora all the time. So you would just come in here, like I said, and create content. Obviously, it's going to take you a little bit of work at first, but it's a totally free way for you to get content out there. People search for questions on Quora all the time. So if your question pops up, your information provides value to people, people will ultimately migrate over to the links in your questions in your space or your group, and then ultimately you'll grow a little bit of following. Obviously, this is going to take a little bit of time. It's not overnight, but the best thing is your information is out there forever. So after you create it, it's evergreen content. Weight loss is evergreen. So as long as your affiliate links are out there, people will still migrate to them and they'll receive commissions. And obviously, the more you build this, the more long-term and more sustainable it definitely is. So I hope that was helpful. As always, just hit that subscribe button if it was. Smash that like button for me to help get more out, help me with my YouTube channel. And if you need more training on affiliate marketing in general, we have a link in the description. The very first link in the description is affiliate marketing training if you're up for it. But if not, as always, we'll see you in the next one.